I don't hear voices. What else can be mentally challenging for people? I don't have it. I have that fancy brain wiring. That's about it. That's the connection. Of course, it's a hassle to have Asperger's. Who wants to hear everything? Who wants to get lost in every frickin' pattern? Who wants to daydream for a whole life? Because that's basically what it is. It's a form of daydreaming. It's not that we're mentally retarded. It's that we're daydreaming. We have special fancy wiring. We hear everything. We see everything. We feel everything. They say we're similar to cats. Who are they? I'm digressing. The main thing about life is to not get gaslit. I'm sick and tired of getting gaslighted. Now, whether it's deliberate or a coincidence, I don't care. I'm moving on. Now let me explain what happened and why I've given up on that channel. And I'm not attacking her. It's just a fluke. It's her. And the troubling part about it is that we become dependent on people. We become loyal to certain individuals because there was something good about them. They did do something good for a person. Sorry if I'm repeating words. Writing is much easier. You can fix it up and polish it. There's less of a time. There's no space-time something or other to writing. Speaking, especially live, well, I mean, to speak, you're always going to be alive. It's tough to put into words, but speaking is a challenge. It's one I feel that I've overcome. So let me get right to it. I took screenshots. This is a new occurrence. This happened yesterday, and it really bugged the heck out of me, and I'm ready to move on. And let me show you what bugged me, and I'll just go through the process. I'm not attacking this person. I'm just saying I can't deal with it anymore. I don't like the negativity. It goes beyond that. I noticed her plugging David Pakman and Joe Rogan in other videos. It goes beyond that. She has videos on machine elves and that weird stuff with she's got some kooky stuff in there in her video package if you look into it. I got beyond that. I used to hate that stuff, that kooky, irrational stuff. But I'm beyond it. I'm a free agent. I'm just me. Here it is. Let's take a look. So she makes this video. Let me line up the screenshots. There aren't many, but they help me talk it out. Basically, I'm able to I was able to do this. This is me. I'm able to I did well in college looking back because I can just look at a word or some notes and then I can decrunch it into paragraphs. That, of course, is after doing reading and thinking and reflecting. This is not something that you just hammer out spontaneously. Life, academics is something you work at. It takes sweating. It takes hustle. You have to do it. You have to work. You have to read. You have to think. You have to be honest and sincere. This woman apparently has multiple college degrees also. That is how I originally felt a connection to her. I studied social theory, or it's called sociology, here in the States. And she seems to have studied anthropology, which is very similar. So we're from very similar backgrounds in age and Asperger's, if she does have it. She seems to have it, but she could be acting. I don't know. We don't know who these people are. We only know who we are. You only know who you are. I've been trying to be a cheerleader for her to give something back to how she helped me. I might not have figured out that I have Asperger's if I had never noticed her at BitChute. Shall we call this quantum entanglement? Since I'm going into science news more and more. We get entangled. The medium tries to entangle us. That's why I give up. That's why I don't care. That's why I make the news. I am the news leader. I am the highway. What's that Audio Slave song? I am the walrus.